Hi, friends. So there's two qualities, in my personal opinion, based on all objective measurements within the last over a decade I've been building a business from home. So two qualities as to what it would take if you have what it takes to build a business from home that sets you free financially. The job becomes optional. You can take it, leave it, whatever you want to do, spend more time with your family doing whatever the heck you want to do. So the two qualities is this. Do you love learning? Or are you against learning? Are you curious? Or no, I'm totally happy living inside the box of what I already know. No curiosities whatsoever. So which is it? So let me break that down just a little bit more. My website, by the way, is tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tombirkenmeyer.com. So the love of learning. There's always going to be reasons why you believe you can't do something, and the rationale behind those reasons to make it easier to live with your decision to either be a quitter or a non-starter. So if you love learning, then those reasons and rationalities, they don't exist because you're like, okay, it's just something else to figure out. So you have to have an innate love of learning, or fill in the blank with whatever is the reason you believe why you can't do something like build a home business or a business from your phone nowadays. So you have to love learning. And then curiosity. Curiosity kind of ties in with learning, because if you're rooted in curiosity, like you're asking questions, you want to explore, you want to get beyond what you currently know, and then you're going to learn new stuff. And so there's a new box of what you currently know. The box just expanded, I guess, but you're still curious. I want to know more. So curiosity is going to drive you to learn and to always get outside of that box of what you currently know, no matter how big that box becomes, because you're always learning and growing because you're so freaking curious. That's how you crush laziness when it comes to figuring out your problems and challenges. So those are the two things. And I guess I'll add a third one too, because this is important, but it all ties together. It's a vision. Do you have a big vision, a dream, a goal that's important enough to you to want to be curious and learn and grow? Some people have very anemic dreams or no dreams at all. Certainly not important enough to crush their excuses and figure stuff out. No. So the burden becomes upon all of us we have to build a big vision that's important enough to us to never shrink the vision. Because here's what most people do. Most people that do build some kind of a vision, when things get real, when reality sets in, they shrink the vision. They start taking it away because things are too hard. So they shrink their vision to just above what they're making and what they're capable of right now so that they don't die. And then there's some people, and these are the few, they'll keep their vision and maybe make it even bigger when things get real. And instead of shrinking their dreams and their vision, they're like, no, I'm going to grow my skill, I'm going to grow myself, I'm going to grow my emotional maturity, whatever it is. They're like, no, I'm going to grow myself. Instead of shrink my vision to be just over where I'm at now so I don't die, no, I'm going to grow myself so that I can turn my beautiful dream into a beautiful reality. So I guess instead of two things, three things. You got to love learning, have to be intrinsically curious, and then you have to have a dream that's important enough to you that you're going to do whatever it takes to figure stuff out and see it through. And that's it. So if you possess those qualities, and you want to see what I've been doing for the past over a decade now, get a hold of me, privately reach out, and I'll show you what I've been doing, and it's your call if you see it as a good fit for you. And if it is a good fit for you, we'll do it. I've got tons of trainings. I've been doing it over a decade now. I got stuff that works. And then I'll help you become a financially free human being as quickly as we can get there. So reach out to me, and I'll reach back to you, and I'll show you what I've got. So take care, everybody. And my website, again, is tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media. Take out the space, all lowercase, tombirkenmeyer.com. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mwah.